Hello students, welcome to the first session of coordinate geometry, and in this session we will be learning about distance formula. So how to find the distance formula? Suppose in the plane I have 2 points. I'm taking the 2 points as here, the first point A and the second point B. The point A I'm taking it as x1 y1 and the point B I'm taking it as x2 y2. Now, what is the distance between these 2 points? That is, what is the distance between A and B, or what is AB? So to find out the distance AB, we need to use a formula. And how to get that formula that we are going to learn now. So you know that A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Suppose if I draw dotted lines from A horizontally, and if I draw vertical lines from B, from B. So these 2 points join together at a point M. So let them join. Now you can see that the vertical line BM. What is the vertical line BM? Is it the difference between the y coordinate of B, that is y2, and the y coordinate of A? Yes. So what you can write here? Can you write it as y2 minus y1? Yes. Now what about AM? Can you write AM as the difference between the x coordinates of B and x coordinate of A? So how can you write it? X2 minus x1. So we got a right angle triangle, that is AMB, and AM we got it as x2 minus x1, and BM we got it as y2 minus y1. Now using these two, can you easily find out what is AB just by applying Pythagoras theorem? Yes. So apply Pythagoras theorem, you get AB as the root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is AM square, plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is how we get the distance formula here, that is the distance between two given points. Hope you have understood what is the distance formula and how we derived the formula for finding the distance between two given points. Let's try one question using the distance formula. The question here is, show that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. So you need to check whether these points are the vertices of what? A square. So let's just write down these points as A, B, C, and D. What is A? 1, 7. B is 4, 2. C is minus 1, and D is minus 4, 4. So I have the four vertices. Now using these four vertices, I need to prove whether it is a square or not. So to find out whether it is a square or not, we need the length of the sides. That is, we need AB, BC, CD, and AD. Let us first find out all this. What is AB? According to the distance formula that we have studied, it is x2 minus root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So here what is x2? 4, y and x1 is 1. So you can write it as 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 7, that is y2 minus y1 the whole square. Or it is root of 3 square plus minus 5 square, or we can write it as 5 square. And that gives us 9 plus 25, or it is root 34. So AB you are getting using the distance formula as root 34. Similarly, you need to find out what is BC. So while finding BC, we have to use the same formula, and using the same formula we get minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5 the whole square, plus minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 the whole square. We'll get the same answer, that is 25 plus 9, that is root 34. So BC is root 34. Now CD, when I'm finding CD, I'll get minus 4 minus minus 1, that is minus 3 the whole square, plus 4 minus minus 1, 5 square. And that will give us again a root of 34. Finding AD, you will get 1 minus minus 4, that is 5 square, plus 7 minus 4, that is 3 square, and that gives us again root 34. So you're getting all the four sides as root 34. If all the four sides are root 34, can we say it is a square? Just think a little. If all the four sides are equal, then can we say it is just a square? No. We need one more quantity. That is, we need to find the length of the diagonals. If we find the length of the diagonals only, we can say it is a square or not. Just by the four sides, we can say it is a rhombus. It is not a square. So I need to find out the diagonals, that is AC. AC will be root of 1 minus minus 1, that is 2 square, plus 7 minus minus 1, 8 square. That gives us root 68. And what is the next diagonal, BD? BD, 4 minus minus 4, that is 8 square, plus 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 square. And that will also give us root 16. So I got the diagonals AC and BD also what equal. So if I get the diagonals also equal, then we can say all the four sides are equal. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. And also we got the diagonals AC is equal to BD. Now we can say the four vertices are of a square. So hope you have understood what is the distance formula and how to derive it. And also we have applied that distance formula here in this question to check whether the given vertices are of a square or not. More about coordinate geometry we will be learning in the next session. Until then, keep learning.